Do you know that you can make your own skincare lotion at home? I'm here to show you how. In this beaker right here, I have already measured out my sunflower oil. Into that, I'm adding 14 grams of coconut oil. This is the end of phase A. Now we move on to phase B. Here we go. So, into another empty beaker, I am measuring out 61 grams of distilled water. So now that we are done measuring out our phase A and our phase B, what I am doing right now is basically covering up the beakers with some aluminum foil. This is so as to prevent reduce the amount of evaporation that we might encounter during heating. This is especially important for phase B, which is our water phase. We are only covering up the openings of the beakers, so be careful to not let the aluminum foil go too far down the bodies of the beakers. And with this prepared, we move on to our water bath, aka bain-marie. Get that ready, and we'll send our jars into that, and we'll be heating them up to about 80 degrees Celsius. While they slowly heat up, be sure to give them a gentle stir at intervals, making sure to keep an eye on the temperature with a thermometer so they don't go beyond 80 degrees Celsius. After a not so long of a time, we are at the right temperature and ready to move on to phase C. Slowly, not too slowly though. We are going to be pouring in phase B over phase A, and with a mini whisk, or if you prefer an immersion blender, we are going to be mixing this for about 3 minutes until we get a homogeneous whole. To speed up the cooling time, I'm going to let this sit in some cold water. We need it to cool down to about 40 degrees Celsius. While it's cooling, I'm going to be gently stirring it. Here I'm using my thermometer, simply because I'm going to be leaving it inside the solution to monitor the temperature, so why not let it multitask? Notice how it thickens up while it cools. We're already at the right temperature. So I'm going to be adding PANTHENOL, adds 2 grams. I'm going to mix that in till homogeneous. Next going in is 10 grams of liquid DHA. Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Come on, go do it now. Yeah, and while you're at it, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be alerted once I post a new video. So yeah, we are still on our liquid DHA. We are going to start mixing right now. This one here requires some vigorous mixing, so be sure to properly mix this in. Let's get it mixing. Next up is 0.4 grams of fragrance. Use whatever scent you like. So to achieve that beautiful sun-kissed glow skin tone, you do not need some machine. You do not need to be frying your skin in some harmful sun rays. Finally, I'm adding 0.6 grams of preservative. And I'm going to keep mixing this till homogeneous. It is a known fact that excessive exposure to harsh sun rays leads to not only damaged skin, but also high risk of skin cancer. Nobody wants that. Who needs cancer? So, make no room for damaged skin, make no room for skin cancer. This tanning lotion right here, this one we're making right here, is an amen. The answer you've been looking for. It's not only skin friendly, it's not only environmentally friendly, it also serves a purpose. So what more could you ask for? Remember though, having this tanning lotion on your skin does not mean you should forget about your sunscreen. Newsflash, you still need those. Okay, brother? Okay, sister? Yeah, good. The color you are going to get from this tanning lotion, that is from one application of this tanning lotion, will last for about 2 weeks. This is something I should have mentioned earlier. If you have very pale skin, make sure to halve the DHA liquid. Reduce the DHA liquid by half. If you do have any questions regarding this tanning lotion, be sure to leave them at the comment section and I will try to answer them all. Also, for more information on how to use this lotion, follow me on Instagram at Vigoh TV. Yeah, I'm Vigoh TV everywhere. Easy to find. Alright, beautiful people, thank you for watching. We're stopping here today. Yeah, until next time, don't forget to subscribe and be sure to follow me on Instagram if you need more information on how to use this lotion. Bye.